Hello everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Thank you so much for the quick likes that you posted on the previous video, the white lamps. I gotta tell you, if you keep that wave going, I'll be able to do a third and a fourth video featuring updating lamps. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the lamps in the living room. Let me share my journey with you. Let's go ahead and go to work. I purchased these two lamps from a cash liquidation store for hotel furniture a couple of years ago. One of them has stopped working, so this is the perfect time to go ahead and rewire the two lamps. And I'm also going to update the paint. I used a very inexpensive Rust-Oleum paint from Walmart the first time, and it just scratches very easily. So the first thing I'm going to do is see what it will take to repair these lamps. I decided not to fool with polishing up chrome because, well, it's just a lot of work, so why not just go ahead and paint the lamps again. So here's what I have. I have an underwriter's knot and two wire twist caps holding the wires together. I'm delighted to see this. I don't have to try and run this entire new wire through the lamp. This is perfect. So this cord definitely is yucky. Before I purchased the lamp, giving them my $25, they did a test. The lamp did turn on. So I knew that all I would have to do is rewire it and it would be fine. So it's not like I'm surprised by this. I'm just showing it to you guys. Now there are full instructions on the back of the cord, so don't panic. Just do exactly what the diagram and the words tell you to do. It's very simple. Your lamp will turn on. It won't be like you're in the movie Breakfast Club. Now don't be nervous about following the diagram or instructions. I've done it before. I'll link that old video on the iCards. Now the original wire twists were a little snug. They were on there pretty tight. So I removed both of them. I untwisted the wires and then untied the knot and removed the old cord. To reassemble, I just followed the exact same process as before. Here's a tip. Take a picture of the wiring of a lamp before you disassemble it, and then have that laying right beside you so you can reference it when you're reassembling your lamp with your new parts. Now one side of your new cord is going to have words printed on it and the other one isn't. When you are applying your new cord to the old cord, the bottom of your lamp, well, apply the sides with the words on them to the side with the words on them for the old. I think I'm saying that right. You get the picture. Plain side to the plain side, the side with the words on it to the side with the words on it. Got it? Now you can pre-twist the wires as I did earlier, or you can just insert them inside the wire twist. And as you're twisting the wire twist cap, it will twist the wires together. That wire twist cap is going to be on there pretty snug, and all you have to do is add some electrical tape and you have just rewired your lamp. I do add a little extra duct tape, just a small piece around there, just to keep things nice and snug with the electrical tape. Now, I would really appreciate it if you would like and share this video. It really does impact our ranking here on YouTube, and I really need your help. So I'm done with the wires. I'm just basically tucking them neatly underneath the bottom of the lamp. And I did have some boards left over from some old picture frames, and it was perfect. All I had to do was cut them and close out the bottom of the lamp. It worked out just fine. Well, let's see if there's going to be magic.
Now these are D-rings. These are the things that you would place on the back of a mirror, pictures, or even canvases to hang them on the wall. Well, I'm going to disassemble this one because I want to remove that triangle part, and I want to insert an actual ring from a Christmas ornament. It's going to be the piece that holds a Christmas ornament in the center of the lamp. Just want to add a little bling. Now I used the Gorilla Glue with the brush and nozzle attached. I plan on updating a chandelier, so I really wanted to give this a try. Now as a precaution, I did a primer coat just using some old paint that I had in the garage. And this is the ultimate paint, guys. I got it from AutoZone. I think I paid around $10 for a can of it, and my God, one can painted 2 lamps. Now if it's designed to paint cars, you know it has to be strong. I didn't have to worry about chipping. I thought this would also be a great time to update my lampshades. Who doesn't love a beautiful monogram?
My name is Josiah Steedley, and my dad did this monogram.
As a business owner, I think it's important to support your local business owners, and you are exactly right. He did an amazing job on this monogramming. I love that I don't have to stress out about completing a project. They're always timely, and I love the quality of their monogramming. It's just stunning, and you guys know I did the bedroom, I did a bench in our dining room, and pillows, and I haven't stopped yet. Yes, my glam is subtle, but these Christmas ornaments are perfect for adding a little glam for the holiday season. These door pulls are from Home Goods.
Well, there you have it, guys. Practical ways that you can update your lamps. Spray paint, Christmas ornaments, while they're plentiful this particular time of year. And even taking drawer pulls and turning them into finials. You can permanently attach those with E6000 or your adhesive of choice. But I do want to say you can do this. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. If you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so today. Press the bell to turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified when I have uploaded the very next video. And do keep in mind that I do need, want, and plead for your likes and shares on each and every video that I post. That's how we stay relevant here on YouTube. So I hope you guys will help me out on that. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative. Have a wonderful day.